fired! Shots fired! It's going westbound, eastbound! I'm shot. It's just 1050. Where'd he go? This way, turn around. Behind you. Where'd he go? Looks like he jumped the fence. PMA, jean jacket. I think I need medics, med personnel.
Hey, you're good. There you go. There you go. Hey, sir. Give it. Shake shot.
What's the address, emergency? Hello, 911.
Yeah. Give me over the gun now. You there? You put a gun in the house?
There's a guy in your house with a gun?
He ran out of backyard.
They asked him to put a gun on my head. He was on the backyard and came inside.
Where is he?
I think he went to the other house.
Wait, it's okay. Which way? He went this way?
In the backyard, and then I think he jumped the fence, but I don't know where.
What, please? Please cover it.
Hey, just cover me just in case the guy might be in there.
Please cover me from your hands. From your hands.
Sparks, police.
Put your hands up.
Stop. That doesn't look like anyone's in there. Alright, so we have a critical incident that's going on. It's kind of dangerous right now. Did anyone jump inside your yard or backyard? Where are you headed to? Okay. What I need you to do, can you go inside your house and shelter in place? Let's get this family out of here. And we need them for detectives so they get more information. Yeah. Well, please. Hey, there's an older WFA in this house. She's the one I talked to.
They go back inside.
Yeah.
Hello, please.
Get her up! Get her! Get her! Hey, stand up. Are you hurt? Get her up! Get her up! Get her up! Get her up! I got you. I got you. Huh? I got her. I got her.
Right over here. Here, I got one hand. You get that in. Let's go. Let's go. Stay behind the car. Stay right here, man.
Get the fuck out of there!
They go back inside.
Yeah.
Hello, please.
Get her first! Get her out! Get her out! Get her out!
Are you hurt? Where is he? Get her
I don't know. He's in back away from. He's shooting deep. He's shooting at us deep.
What's the address of the emergency? And what's the phone number that you're calling me from? Okay, and tell me exactly what happened.
Somebody has broken in my house and barricaded my bathroom. The police are at the street blocked off. He's got it right down the front door and coming out.
Okay. He's barricaded in the bathroom?
No, I'm in the bathroom. He's on the outside.
Does he know you're in there?
I don't know, maybe.
What's your name?
I'm scared to death.
The suspect exited the back of the residence and attempted to hide behind a shed in the backyard. Approximately 15 minutes later, the victim exited her residence through the front door without incident. A short time later, the suspect re-entered her home through the back door.
Stay right there, watch. Yeah. got blood on the fridge, too. Touch it! Back it up. I got you, son. I got you. Work it out. Work it out. Left corner. Back it out. Watch out. Hold on.
Somehow,